The average and AverageA function allows you to easily calculate the average of a series of numbers in Excel. However, there is a slight difference between the two. Let's use a table of student test scores to go through some examples. Let's say I want to get the average of all the scores. We'd do equals average, and then we select the range that we'd like to get the average of. And there we go, we've currently got the average of all those numbers. What if the range had some text in? And you want to take that into consideration as well. In this case, we'd use AverageA function. So we'd do equals AverageA, and then the range that we're interested in, enter. And there we go. It's currently evaluating fail as 0. The AverageA function also evaluates a word true as a 1. So you see that's been updated there as well. So to recap, the average function calculates it by adding 4 tens and then divides it by 4, ignoring the text. And the AverageA function calculates it by adding 10, 0, 10, 10, 10, and then divides it by 5, evaluating the text as a 0. And there we have it, two very simple ways of calculating the average from a series of numbers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.